Welcome to this brief video on how to file an online consumer complaint using the Maryland Insurance Administration's Enterprise Complaint Tracking System, or ECTS. The primary role of the Maryland Insurance Administration, or MIA, is to protect consumers from illegal insurance practices, and whether you are a consumer filing a complaint on behalf of yourself or a healthcare provider filing on behalf of a patient, we strive to make the complaint process simple, safe, secure, and easy to understand. Safeguards are in place to ensure that your personal information is protected through our secure portal. Now, myself and a couple of my colleagues from the Maryland Insurance Administration will step you through the process.
Access to the ECTS portal can be found on the main page of our website, www.insurance.maryland.gov. Once on our website, you may click on the title that says "Click here to file a complaint." From this link, you can access the complaint portal by clicking on the words "Click here" highlighted in yellow. This link will also display multiple tabs of the various types of complaints you can submit. Access to the Consumer Complaint Portal is available from each of these tabs and will provide additional information relevant to your specific type of complaint. In some instances, the option of completing and returning a complaint form through the mail is available. An example of this can be found under the "I have a complaint about my auto insurance" tab. Once completed, the form can be mailed, faxed, or emailed. After following the link from our website, you are first taken to our ECTS Instructions page. We encourage you to read through this carefully before getting started. You will want to disable pop-up blockers, and the latest versions of Microsoft Edge, Chromium, and Google Chrome work best with this portal. The Consumer Complaint Portal allows for the uploading of documents. Before you get started, prepare and scan any relevant documents that you wish to submit with your complaint. This is important so you do not get time out of the system upon beginning the process. If it isn't possible for you to attach documents to your complaint at the time of your complaint submission, please note that you can forward the documents by email, mail, or facsimile once the complaint is set up. Please reference your complaint number on any correspondence after your complaint submission. Choose Next to continue on to the first page of your complaint.
On this first page, you will be asked for your contact information, as well as asked to give us information about the complaint you're about to file. You will also see, in the upper right of this page, and on all of the pages, a link that says Help, and one that says Fax. You can always refer to those links with questions as you go through the process. You will select the type of insurance your complaint is about. Then, tell us whether you are the insured, are representing or acting on behalf of another party, or whether you are the healthcare provider. In some situations, you will also have the option of selecting that you are filing a complaint against another party's insurance. Third party. If you are representing or acting on behalf of another party, a pop-up window appears with an authorization form to be signed by the other party. This signed form will need to be attached later in the process. Then, choose whether you are an individual or representing a business. You will then need to provide contact information. Please note, any fields marked with a red asterisk are required fields and must be completed before the system will permit you to proceed. In the next page, you will be asked to input the insurance information. While the only required information at this point is the insurance company, agency, or agent name, we also highly encourage you to input the policy or contract number when it is requested as applicable. If your complaint is against an insurance company, please start typing the name of the insurance company in the space provided, and a drop-down menu will appear. If your complaint is against an agent, an agency, or another entity, you will see a search box as displayed below. Clicking on the magnifying glass will enable you to begin your search. After inputting the first licensee, you can add additional licensees by clicking the Add button at the bottom of the box. Once you have located the agent or agency, expand the field using the right-facing arrow located in the first column on the left. Once you have completed the section on insurance information, click Next to proceed to the next screen. For some, the next screen will display the physician details screen. The next screen will be tailored to the type of complaint you are submitting. For example, if your complaint is against a homeowner's insurance company, this screen will not display. Please provide as much information as possible, including any required fields, such as the practice name and the last name of the physician in this instance.
The next section will display the complaint details screen. This is where you summarize your concerns or inquiry and state what your desired resolution is. Please do not copy and paste information into the text boxes from any source, as certain special characters listed at the top of the page are not allowed. The next screen allows for the upload of any attachments related to your complaint. Please note that each file cannot exceed 10 megabytes. You can upload repair estimates, a police report, medical bills, correspondence you have written or received, or any other documentation relevant to your complaint. The documents should be in an electronic format and should use permitted characters for the title and description as noted on the initial instructions page. Please note, the system will not accept audio files, video files, or medical image files such as an X-ray or MRI. To attach additional correspondence, you may click on Add File. The next page will display the complaint summary page. Please take a moment to review the information on this page. If you wish to revise any of the information, a blue clickable edit link is available to the right in each box to make any revisions. Once you have had an opportunity to review all of the information submitted and/or you have finalized any revisions, you may proceed to the bottom of the complaint summary page. If you're filing a complaint that may involve your investigator accessing medical records, you will need to electronically sign the medical consent form on the complaint summary page before checking the signature box. Please complete the CAPTCHA with the letters and numbers shown above the red box. Located at the bottom of the complaint summary page is a square box. To complete your complaint submission, please check the box. Please note that checking this box serves to electronically sign and affirm your acknowledgement that to the best of your knowledge, the information provided is true and accurate. Additionally, by signing electronically and checking this box, you affirm and acknowledge your understanding that the complaint information to provide to the Maryland Insurance Administration may be sent to the party or parties named in your complaint. This electronic signature is required to complete your complaint submission.
Thanks for watching. If you get stuck while using the system or have more questions about the ECTS portal, call Life and Health at 410-468-2244, Property and Casualty at 410-468-2340, or email us at lhcomplaints.mia@maryland.gov. Please have a contact phone number available, a description of your problem, and any information about error codes you are receiving. Thank you for watching today, and I hope this video was helpful.